Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to find the battery option, which should be on the 4th position. And as you can see here, we've got the option battery percentage, which is obviously right now turned off because we've got only the battery indicator. So all you have to do in order to show the percentage is to simply tap on the switcher. And as you can see, actually immediately next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.